Hello, my name is Caleb Carter, and today we're looking at the 6,000-pound Carter idler trailer axle. Let's dive into it. So this is the Carter 6,000-pound idler trailer axle. It comes with the 6-lug, 5.5 bolt pattern. So 6 lug and 5.5 inches from center of one stud to center of the other stud. It has 1/2-inch studs on it. Comes with the lug nuts. Easy Lube spindle, so you can just pop off this little rubber cap right here and it will expose the grease zerk, so you can just hook up your grease gun right to it and it's the bearings. We also upgraded the grease cap on here. So instead of that old grease cap, that little thin metal grease cap, we upgraded it to a forged aluminum heavy duty cap. Because you know those old caps, they would get dented up, and if they fell off, they'd be out around, so it'd be next to impossible to get them back on. Well, these guys right here, you don't have to worry about that, because they're super thick and great. It's a good upgrade, and it even has a little lip right here, so you can actually pry them off, instead of having to just hit them with a hammer like you would on the old ones. So good little upgrade right there. And this axle has the 5-bolt brake flange on it, in case you want to add brakes to it, as you can see. And it also comes pre-wired, so it even makes it really simple to add brakes if you want to add brakes at a later date. I mean, that's amazing. It uses the 15123 outer bearing and the 25580 inner bearing, so standard bearings right there for all the 6K axles. It has this heavy-duty 3-inch powder-coated pipe, so you don't have to worry about it rusting. It's going to stay good a lot longer. And yeah, comes fully assembled just like you see, ready to install on your trailer. Also, you can see the spring pads come welded on, but we also have the option to have them loose if you prefer to weld them in place yourself. We do sell them with the spring pads loose. And if you order them loose, then we're going to give you the spring pads you need so you can weld them in place wherever you want. Nice and simple. So if you need some of these, you can get them at trailerpartsunlimited.com or give us a call at 844-898-8687, or just stop by our distribution center here in Huntsville, Texas, and we'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching.